Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the grunge tool in Snapseed. But first I just wanted to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First we are going to open the application. After that we need to select an image, so we are going to click on the plus icon. After that you need to select your preferred image, like so. Afterwards, we are going to click on Tools at the bottom of our screen. We are going to select Grunge. Here we have three options: Shuffle, which will adjust our image randomly, Manual Adjust, and Styles. Here we have five options. I'm going to select. You need to select one of them. And the second option is Style. And if you want to adjust this filter, you can do it in manual adjustment. The first option is style, which will switch between other styles, like so. The second one is brightness, which will change the brightness of this image. Contrast, which will change the contrast of the image. Saturation, which will increase or decrease the saturation of the image. And texture strength, which will adjust the strength of this texture, so you can make the image look a lot more rougher, like so. If you want to compare it to the original photo, we can click on the icon on the upper right corner, like so. And if we are done, we can either dismiss the changes with the X icon right here, or we can apply those changes with the check mark right over here. We are going to apply those changes, of course. After that, if you want to save the image, you have to click on Export. Here you're going to have four options: Share, which will share it to our friends on our preferred platform; Save, which will save our image; Export, which will save our image, but it will adjust the image to what we set it on in the settings menu; and Export as will save our image to our preferred folder. I'm going to select Save. You can view the image with View, and I'm going to select Gallery, and here it is. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.